In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Temu for effective product research rather than direct sourcing. If you're an Amazon seller or just exploring the world of e-commerce, understanding how to efficiently identify and validate potential products is crucial to your success. Let's dive right in. To begin, let's talk about Temu. Temu is a consumer marketplace, primarily linking buyers to manufacturers, notably in China. It's an excellent platform for discovering trending products. Many successful Amazon sellers have figured out a clever strategy here. They use Temu not to purchase products, but to perform initial research. When browsing through Temu, pay close attention to popular and emerging items. These products often provide a snapshot of current market trends and consumer interests. Consider tracking these items over a period to see which ones maintain popularity and look for patterns in what customers are gravitating towards. Once you've identified some promising products on Temu, it's time to take the next step, validating their price points. You'll want to ensure that there's a comfortable margin for profit if you decide to list them on platforms like Amazon. Analyze the pricing on Temu and compare it with other marketplaces. Now, while Temu is excellent for research, it's not necessarily where you'll find your suppliers. For that, we need to move on to something a bit more strategic. Here's where reverse image search comes into play. This is an invaluable tool for tracing the suppliers of the products you find on Temu. Start by saving high-quality images of those products that caught your eye. Once you have these images saved, head over to platforms like Alibaba or AliExpress, which are both widely used by sellers to connect directly with manufacturers offering bulk pricing. On Alibaba or AliExpress, utilize their image search feature. Upload the product photos you saved from Temu. This tool will scan the uploaded images and often match them with suppliers who are offering similar or even identical items. It's a straightforward method to link back to the source, opening up a myriad of opportunities for securing better deals and building a direct line of communication with suppliers. This strategy is particularly useful for negotiating bulk pricing, which can significantly enhance your profitability. In summary, while Temu is not your direct source for suppliers, it serves as a fantastic starting point for your product exploration. By coupling your research with reverse image searches on platforms like Alibaba or AliExpress, you're setting yourself up to efficiently trace suppliers and secure advantageous pricing. Employing this method helps streamline your product sourcing process, provides greater insight into pricing strategies, and ultimately positions you for success in the competitive e-commerce landscape. Thank you for joining today, and happy sourcing!